Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Hisense Roku TV to a Bluetooth speaker. There is also a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price, which is useful if you want to keep your streaming and browsing safe on your TV. First, turn on your Bluetooth speaker and put it in pairing mode. Each speaker has its own way of doing this, so check the manual if you're not sure. For example, some speakers require you to hold a Bluetooth button for a few seconds until you see a light flashing. Once your speaker is in pairing mode, go to your Hisense Roku TV and press the home button on your remote. Scroll down and select Settings. Move over to Remotes and Devices. From there, go to Wireless Headphones. Even though your device is a speaker, this option works for most Bluetooth speakers that are not Roku branded. Select Add New Bluetooth Headphones. Your TV will now search for devices. Wait for your Bluetooth speaker to appear in the list. This might take about 20 seconds. When you see your speaker's name, highlight it and press OK. The TV will connect to your speaker. Once the pairing is complete, the speaker will stop flashing its pairing light and the audio from your Roku TV will now play through it. If you're using Roku-branded speakers, you can pair them in the speakers section instead of wireless headphones. For all other Bluetooth speakers, the wireless headphones section is the correct option. Now, your Hisense Roku TV is connected to your Bluetooth speaker and you can enjoy your shows and movies with better sound. If you want to protect your online activity and access more streaming content securely, check out NordVPN using the link in the description for a great price.